Coming to you live from District 1 on a new series called Walk With Me, where we'll be taking you on walking tours throughout Vietnam, various cities, starting with Ho Chi Minh City, my place of residence. Welcome to my city. Here you can see Casa del Habano is one of the most famous cigar lounges in Ho Chi Minh City. A pretty nice place. A lot going on down here. Very famous restaurant. Many types of spas and hotels. Hello. Come get somebody. Uh-oh. Ooh, this bus is good. Uh-oh. Somebody's in trouble. Something important must be down here. We got multiple units blocking off the street. I don't know what's going on over here. Hey, maybe we can turn around and go the other way. Em nhé.